Hello world, we are EQ and our project name is EQ Saver, predicting earthquake by machine learning. I am Abdur Rahman, the team leader, and the other members are Abdul Momen, Farhan Rakib Ridoy, and Mohammad Arman Khan. We are from Brak University, Bangladesh. The main object of our project is to collect ground movement data and compare it with the data provided by NASA. The uniqueness of our project is it combines our collecting data with NASA's useful data, and also it is a low-cost project. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake occurred with a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3, which created tsunamis. These tsunamis killed an estimate 228,000 people in 14 countries. That is why we are very passionate to do something. According to NASA's Socio-Economic Data and Application Center, lots of developing countries are in danger of earthquakes. If any earthquake happens there, a lot of people will die and lose a lot of resources. But by using our devices, we can reduce mortality risk, living things, and losses human resources. EQ Saver creates positive environment for living things and human resources, and it combines NASA's data with our data. We can make predictions way better. Tectonic plates displacement causes for volcanic eruption. We can predict the earthquake from volcanic activity by comparing NASA's provided volcanic cloud map with tectonic plates displacement data.
Now I am going to show you how our project works. This is our ground sensor, which will detect tectonic plate movement in X, Y and Z axis. We can also monitor the real-time data from the sensor. We can see the graph of the data receiving from the ground sensor. Now I am creating movement on the ground sensor, and as you can see, the graph is also changing according to the movement of the ground sensor. And this is how the ground sensor will detect any movement in the ground surface. This data will be sent to an online server, and from the server we will be able to collect the data through our apps. Our apps will also be able to show the real-time seismograph of that sensor, and in the next step we can see the data from NASA. And we can compare the data from NASA and our own ground sensor data and use machine learning to predict when the next big earthquake will happen in a particular place. And this is how we are using machine learning to get accurate prediction about earthquake in any particular place.
It will change the situation to make people alert before natural disaster. It will be the most helpful for the middle and lower class people. They get more benefits from this project. Our burning platform is Android based smartphone. If the local smartphone companies and IT sector support us, we can use more machine learning, and the more we can use machine learning, the more we can predict precisely, not only by individually our data or NASA's data, but also the combined of both data we can make the prediction level more higher and accurately.